Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that makes the internet work behind the scenes, UTF-8. Don't worry if that sounds too technical. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of it, and we'll even throw in a fun fact or two. So let's jump in. Alright, imagine this. You're typing a message, browsing a website, or even watching a video in a language that uses characters from all over the world. Whether it's English, Chinese, or even emoji, how does the computer know what to display? That's where UTF-8 comes in. To start, think of UTF-8 like a secret code that helps your computer understand and display different characters, no matter what language you're using. It's one of the most popular encoding systems, and it's behind almost everything you see on the internet today. Let's break this down. Every character, whether it's an English letter like A, a number like 5, or even a cool emoji, is assigned a unique number. These numbers are called code points. Now, there are many ways to store these code points. Some methods, like UTF-32, use 4 bytes of memory for every single character. But here's the problem: that takes up a lot of space, especially when most of the characters we use don't need all that memory. Then comes UTF-8, and it's like a superhero. UTF-8 saves space by using only as much memory as it needs. For most characters, it uses just 1 byte, which is 8 bits, the same space you'd need to store one letter, number, or punctuation mark. So when you're typing in English or using simple numbers, UTF-8 is super efficient. But here's the cool part. UTF-8 can expand its memory when it needs to. So when a character is more complex, like a Chinese character or even some emojis, it can use up to 4 bytes to store it. This flexibility means it can handle all kinds of characters, from the simplest ones to the most complex, without wasting memory. Here's a fun fact. UTF-8 was invented in 1992 by Ken Thompson and Rob Pike, who were also involved in creating the programming language Go. Pretty awesome, right? Now you might be thinking, okay, so why don't we just use UTF-8 all the time? Well, there's a small downside. If you want to randomly jump to a character in a UTF-8 string, you can't just go to any spot and know where you are. You have to start at the beginning and count your way through. But honestly, for most uses, that's not a big deal. So, in a nutshell, UTF-8 is super clever. It's efficient, flexible, and handles all sorts of characters from around the world, making it the go-to encoding for the internet. Alright, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how technology works in everyday life, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.